Okay, right here we have some winter grubs we dug up. We're doing some changes here in the yard, right underneath the log. See these grubs right here? They're great for fishing. Survival mode too. If you're hungry, you can eat them. Here's your tip for today. Dig around some old woods, get some wood up off the ground, some rotten wood, whatever. You find these grubs, use them for fishing, or if you're hungry, you can eat them. So there you go. Fishing tip and a survival tip.
There you go.